Kape-kape muna tayo. Ganda ng bagong office ng Mitsubishi Baguio. Dito pala tayo ngayon for our 5,000 kilometer preventive maintenance. Since under warranty pa, tapos nag-offer pa sila ng free labor. Dito kasi sa Mitsubishi, free labor yung 1K at 5K PMS, bali yung parts and lubricants lang ang babayaran. Kaya dito ko na muna dinala si Monty. Tapos gaya ng nasabi ko sa previous video nung nireview ko yung 1,000 kilometer PMS, nagustuhan ko dito sa Mitsubishi Baguio, pwede mong lapitan at bantayan yung sasakyan habang ginagawa. Kung hindi mo pa pala napapanood yung video na yun, ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description sa ibaba. So for today's short video, ipapakita ko lang mga services na ginawa ngayong 5,000 km PMS, kung magkano binayaran ko, tsaka magbibigay na rin ako ng tip para makatipid ng konti. So make sure to watch this video until the end. Siya nga pala, if you're new to this channel and find these contents helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely for free and it would go a long way in helping to grow this channel. So ayan, sinisimulan na. Ang mga ginawa, chinek nila yung basics, yung lights, tire pressure, hinigpitan yung wheel nuts, nireset yung PMS reminder sa dashboard. Binugahan at nilinis din nila yung ating cabin AC filter at engine air filter. Nag-check din sila ng mga oil and water levels, tapos siguro ito na yung pinaka-bulk ng work, yung pagpapalit ng oil filter at pagta-top up ng engine. Since fully synthetic ang ginamit last time, every 10,000 kilometers ang change oil schedule niya. Bale, top up lang ngayong 5,000 kilometers. So ito na yung tip para makatipid ng konti. Dun sa initial bill, ang nakalagay na babayaran ay yung oil filter at 1 liter ng fully synthetic engine oil na gagamitin pang top up. Since inuwi ko yung natira ng previous oil change, kinausap ko kung pwedeng imbis na bumili na lang ng 1 liter, ito na lang gamitin. Pumayag naman sila. Kaya dun sa final bill, yung oil filter lang ang binayaran ko. So ayun, kung nakuha nyo yung natira ng previous oil change, make sure to bring it with you. Kahit papaano, nabawasan din yung bill natin. Around 600 plus din kasi yung 1 litro ng engine oil. So ayan, patapos na. At ito na yung bill natin. Again, oil filter lang ang binayaran, kaya yung total, 1,248 pesos. Mas mura siya kaysa nung previous na 1,000 km PMS. Yung next na preventive maintenance schedule, yung 10,000 kilometers, palagay ko yun yung medyo mabigat. Sabi rin dito sa kasa, more or less mga 10K siguro kasi aside from the oil change, may brake cleaning din, tsaka hindi na free yung labor. Once I have my next PMS, I'll make sure to share it as well in this channel. Kaya maganda rin kung i-click nyo yung bell icon para ma-notify kayo at hindi nyo ma-miss. I hope you find this video helpful. As always, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more.